Alright, so I made it up in the stand, but it's pouring rain. It's just actually lightening up a little bit right now. But my feathers are soaked because I'm stupid, and I didn't remember to bring trad vanes today. It wasn't supposed to rain. I mean, we were supposed to get hit by a tropical storm this morning. Go figure, opening day, we're gonna get a tropical storm. But they changed it. So I'm like, oh, I'll be fine. I just grabbed my gear. I'm not even joking. The second I got out of the truck, it started to rain. So I'm like, oh, it's just gonna drizzle for a minute. So I ran like crazy, mosquito. And yeah, struggled. I got my umbrella up. I got one of those cheesy little umbrella things that I don't even know, Tractor Supply sells or whatever. So freaked out, climbed up in my stand, and just got that bad boy up. And yeah, my gear's all wet. Maybe a deer will come by now. It couldn't possibly get much worse. Oh my god, mosquitoes are horrible right now. But yeah, alright, let me protect my gear so it doesn't get any more wet and try to figure out how to dry out my feathers. Yeah, I know, trad vanes, I know. Welcome to Florida. Though. I don't know. With this angle. Shaking like a leaf on a tree. I gotta get down. I gotta go mark blood before this rain kicks in too badly. But I know where she went. That's a really good doe. Wait, oh, here comes the rain. This is horrible. All right, let me get down and see if I can see where the shoe went. I gotta at least mark the trail real quick. Clean pass, real good clean pass. All right. Alright, so I'm back up in the tree stand. What you guys just missed was a torrential downpour, and I just completely panicked that I thought I hit her high. So long story short, I get down, I go to try to just mark the trail just to make sure I'm safe and I know where she's going and blah, 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 blah. I ended up proceeding and just not chasing, but went after her to try to get a look, see where she's at, because the blood trail's washing away. I had a good one, but completely washing away. So as I'm going, I could see her. I could totally see her. So proceeded, she was done. She's completely done. So I'm winded right now because I just dragged that deer back to the main path so that way I don't get lost. And now I just had to climb back up in my tree stand because I left my camera up here. But doe down. I mean, I thought I entered high, and I knew I wanted to enter a little bit higher because of the angle. I mean, I'm at about 20 feet right now up in the air. I mean, you can kind of see, you know, I'm a ways up. And she was only like 10 yards. So I'm like, enter a little high, but I flipped out when I shot. I'm like, oh my God, I think I entered too high. And no, not at all. But let me get down, I'll show her to you. So let's get this packed up, and hopefully I won't fall out of the tree thinking I'm wearing safety system. But yeah, let's get her out. Okay, we're back safe on the ground. Are you ready to really laugh? Oh, well, don't laugh right now because I think I took a wrong turn. Okay, we're okay now. So you ready to really laugh? That spike horn in velvet, I've never killed a deer in velvet. And what happens is Florida has these weird rules with antlerless deer. You know, when doe season's in, you could shoot a small buck. And I was gonna shoot him, but Allison says that they have to be under 5 inches to be legally shot. So a buck needs to be over 10-inch main beam or under 5-inch main beam. So I was actually messaging her. I'm like, can I shoot this thing? I sent her a full video. And then guess what? That doe walked in. That's why I kind of like bumped the camera and everything. It was hilarious. Well, look at this. Here's this girl. Right. Oh, trying to walk backwards. Gonna get dizzy. Oh, flies are already coming. Oh my God. They come fast. There she is. Well, I have no tripod. I'm completely unprepared. And yeah. So I'm gonna run back and go get the machine. I'm gonna get this girl back up to the truck. And yeah, I'm tired. This has been one heck of an interesting hunt. And this is the first deer I've killed since my centaur's been upgraded with mud snake. Opening day. And, that's how I roll. I wish I had my tripod. Where are you, tripod? Ah! All right, let me go get the machine.